Hey everybody, it's me, Erin and Elyse. Welcome back to another episode of Erin's Eats. How was your day today? I had to work, which is fine. I like my job. But you know what? Sometimes after you work, you don't want to have to come home and make a supper that takes forever. So I've already done some prepping for tonight's supper. Adam and I are very excited to have a nice home-cooked meal. I've got my barbecue chicken in my crock pot. My veggies prepped. I'm going to roast these veggies in the oven. But what I'm most excited to eat this evening is my most favorite, the best ever, Jiffy Cornbread Casserole with real corn in it. So this is something that my mama made growing up, my grandma made. I don't remember who found the recipe. There's a few slight variations of it online, so you could just Google Jiffy Cornbread Casserole, but I'm gonna make it going off of how my mama makes it, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Let's make our Jiffy Cornbread Casserole. Put on your aprons, everyone. Today, I'm gonna wear this one. Put it in your waist in case you get egg snots on your fingers. Here's what you're gonna need. Jiffy Cornbread. You want a can of whole kernel corn, a can of cream corn, some sour cream, butter, eggs, one egg, singular. And you just mix it all together and bake it in a casserole dish. So all you gotta do, well, hold on. I always forget to preheat the oven. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my casserole dish. This is a 2.5 quarts / 2.3 liter casserole dish. It's my biggest in my Corningware set. Got some grease. This is a canned cream style corn. Just dump the whole shebang in your bowl. Oh, special thanks to Adam's sister for the free can of corn. This can of corn inspired me for today's video. The cream corn you just dump in as is. Your whole kernel corn, you drain it. One time I gave this recipe to one of my friends, and I guess I didn't put that part down, and she did not drain it. And it did not work out because it was way too soupy because she didn't drain this corn. So make sure you drain the regular can of corn. Dump it in. Oh no! You also need 1 egg. You also need a cup of sour cream. Adam doesn't usually eat milk. I've made this for him before and he was fine. Does anybody know, like, if when you cook stuff that's got milk or sour cream or dairy in it, does it cook off whatever makes people sick or not feel good? Because, I don't know, he's alright. And if you're like Adam and you don't like sour cream, fear not. You will not be able to taste the sour cream in this. I'm not sure what purpose it serves, but you can't, it doesn't taste sour creamy. I would still suggest trying it even if you don't like sour cream. The last thing we're going to add is 1/4 cup of butter, which is 1/2 stick, melted. Ta-da! Pour it in. Once you have dumped all your ingredients into a mixing bowl, stir it up real good. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you like to eat cheese and have no dietary restrictions involving cheese, you can add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese to this. So I've mixed it thoroughly. I'm going to pour it in my greased casserole dish, and then I'm going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now, as always, it may vary depending on the oven. They're all different. Bake it, and then we'll taste it with the rest of our dinner. Jiggle it. Alright, in it goes. We're back, and our Jiffy Cornbread Casserole has finished baking. It actually took closer to 45 minutes. Again, just because the recipe says a certain amount of time does not mean that's what it's actually going to take. So just wait until it looks kind of goldeny brown. Let me show you real quick before I mess it up by scooping out a taste. See that? It's kind of a little brownish crust around the edge, a little crack in the top. That's kind of what you want to look for. So it's finished baking. We're going to taste it, and then we're actually going to eat our supper because my chicken and my veggies are also ready to be eaten. Just a little taste.
Are you tasting it without me?
No, I'm scooping it out for you, stinker.
She almost ate it without me, everybody. That's a sin on this channel.
I mean, this is kind of like, whoa, noodle. This is kind of like bread pudding-y. So don't imagine it to be crumbly or cakey like cornbread. It's gonna be goopier because of, I mean, that's just how it is. It's a casserole, it's gooier. Just blow it. And Adam loves corn. It's good.
Yeah.
I swear, the simpler the recipe, the better the food. You don't need a lot of fancy things, a lot of fancy seasonings. It's a really good side to make to go with a lot of different things.
Yay. Good job.
I haven't made that for you for like a year.
Why are you depriving me of wonderfulness?
That's how we make Jiffy Cornbread Casserole. If you've ever had this before, let me know by commenting in the underpants below. I love seeing those recipes. Maybe I'll try it out next week. So, thanks for tuning in for this episode of Erin's Eats, and we'll see you next Saturday with another video. Bye!